This is why Chess.com's engine is wrong. So we just have angle match time on 10 seconds, evaluation bar on, suggestions are on, and engine lines on. Chess.com engine says it's 2.8 plus 2.8 here because in a couple of moves, or it'll be black loses his rook, or he loses the game straight away due to checkmate. So black does rook d7 here. Then we can go to queen f8, king h8, queen e8, and rook g7. Now at the exact same position, but it's still 0.0. We're in the exact same position, and just before it said plus 2.7, now it's playing plus 0.0. I do not know what's wrong with Chess.com's engine. So